Hi, my name is Esteban Clavera, and I will be the instructor on this course, An Introduction to Neo4j. I am a BI and analytics consultant. My experience comes from both hands-on analytics and project management roles. I'm a Neo4j certified professional. This course has 3 modules. The first one covers the foundations of the graph theory, the comparison between a graph database to a relational one, and the origins of Neo4j. The second one installs and reviews the tool, along with the Cypher syntax basics. The last module elaborates on the techniques to fetch and modify graph entities. The relevant clauses and functions are covered gradually, along with the theory and examples, plus the challenges proposed. This course has not many prerequisites rather than some generic understanding of databases and data models and entities. Java Virtual Machine has to be installed, though the sandbox can be a solution for following the course without the need of installing anything locally. Anyone interested in discovering the wonders of graph databases with the leading tool is invited to join this course. Projects focused on deeply related content apps, or even to perform in-depth data analysis, are candidates to get boosted with Neo4j's technology. Course objectives are to understand graph databases fundamentals, to master graph database beyond the fundamentals with Cypher and query language, and to get proper skills for data modeling and exploiting the powerful querying capabilities of graph databases.